Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am telling about a very nice and beautiful website where you can earn a lot more. This app name is ePRICE. Here you to go in description link. After that you have to complete a registration first. What to do for registration? You have to fill this form. Like you have to put there your username and create a strong password and confirm your password. After that you can see here automatically filled invitation code which is filled when you click on my descriptions link. After that you have to put your phone number and country code choose, and after completing all these things you have to put your verification code which is given at the right hand side of like captcha code. After completing full details of this you have to click on register now option. After that your registration is successful. I am going to explain much more thing about that. Here you can see the team commission and introduction. I am telling you about the company profile. Here you can check about the ePRICE is the first Italian e-commerce company. We decided to work in Italy because our company has a great potential and is the most beautiful country in the world. We will resell millions of products every year, offering our clients the convenience of buying online also through smartphones and the opportunities. You can see ePRICE has a catalog of more than 1 million different products, thousands of special offers also activated by our 3P marketplace with a special focus on the tech products and appliances. Chairman, you can check out the whole update and the company profile. This is a very safest and very good company in this market nowadays. And I am telling about how you can earn here and how you can invite your friends, how to reach out, how to withdraw, and how to grab orders and complete your orders. Here you can see the commission reward options which is given here. Downline level 1 earn order commission every, you can get 16% team commission. Downline level 2 you can earn 8% commission daily. After that the third level earned commission is 4%, which is a very good deal for all of us. Financially benefit, the highest yield of ePRICE online banking reaches 99.99%, which is a very maximum and highest amount by this company. All users who reach the corresponding level can reach, you can see, can reach monthly salary of 12,000 USDT, which is a very maximum and good amount for all of us guys. And you can check the more details of reward option, and here's the deposit option and withdrawal option. You have to click on deposit option for depositing here. After that you click on the TRC20 USDT and click on the next option. How to do deposit here? Select your amount like 30, starting amount is minimum is 30, 50,000, and I'm selecting like 300. After that you have to copy this address and go to your wallet. After that you have to complete your transaction and screenshot the transaction, and you have to upload here and click on the confirm option. After that you have received your 300 USDT in your account of ePRICE. So I am completing. First of all you can see here Binance deposited, confirmed deposit successfully. Your deposit is 1991 USDT is now available in your Binance account. Log in to check your FAQ. So I am going on my website and so you can see in my account, clicking on my account and check my balance. Here the 300 USDT completed, and you can check your personal informations like here your account number, withdrawal process, and you can check your order record. And here's a invitation, friend invitation code, where you can copy your QR code and share with your friend, family or relatives, and give him and earn a lot more commission here, level 1, level 2, level 3 by their links. And you have to copy this link and share with your friends. After I'm telling about, here is the app download option also and help guide option. You can check a help guide option fully detailed here given, so you can check out here a help option. And here is the order record and announcement option. You can check their announcements and account details. I already told you about that. Team reports, you can check your team balance, team cash flow, team deposit, team withdrawals, team order commission, team first time depositor, first level members, team size, new members, active members today, which is a very great deal for all of us. And here's the online services where you can check our customer service. If you have any questions or encounter issues, please email us with chat. So you can continue with online services. You can click, after that you have to reply immediately. So I am writing like hi, and the response is very good from this company side. So you can check here Telegram channel. Click on Telegram channel and you have to join there, and you have to follow their Telegram ePRICE. And after that I am following this, and you can see here the updates are updating right now. And you can check here the 20,000 plus members, which is a very good I think, and you can also follow this, and is much more online rewards option. You can check out that, and I am telling you about how to here grab your orders. Here's a many grab option like eBay, Yatigo, OneBuy.com, Zaloro, Lazado, ePRICE, and I am giving an example after that completing these orders. You have to two options like commission rate is very good like 0.4% and automatic grab. After clicking on automatic grab, wait for 5 seconds and your grab order completed. So here automatically spins the product, and what's I mean like oh Nile man's hybrid tank, and click on the submit option. After that you can see my 0.41 commission amount is here added. So I am telling you about you can do in like 5 or 4 minutes, and you have earned like 10 to $14, which is a very great for all of us. And here the liquid blue man's any color zip, clicking on submit, and you can see my commission increasing order by order. You can also do like this, and here's again my order completed, like you can see that here quizzes man Tiago. I'm clicking on submit option, and after completing my 3 orders I earned $1.02, which is very good for all of us. And I am ordering my 4th order completing, and here's a rip color man's magic mystery stretched boards stretched, and order completed. You have to complete your minimum 30 order, then you can grab your all commissions. So I am completing my all 30 orders here. After that I am talking with you, which gives some time like 3 or 4 minutes. So guys, I am lastly completing my all 30 orders, and after that I am explaining you. So my commission is, you can see here my commission is around 12 USDT, approx than 12 USDT. It is more than 12 USDT, you can see here. And after that you can check my all orders completed very easily successful, and you can also do it all orders completed. And then you can check my balance like 312 USDT, which is completed by here. And you have to here VIP options, invitation, financial options. You can check here financial transfer, bank account, like that options, many more other things. You have to click on withdraw option. You have not set payment password, and I am setting my payment password. After that you have to click on withdrawal method, add withdrawal method. After you put your identified information, email address, other thing, all after you have to put your address and click on the transaction password, and you have to successfully withdraw here. So I am completing my withdrawal and giving you. So guys, my withdrawal completed, and you can check my withdrawal handling fee and my withdrawal success, and you can also earn here by completing your all process and invite friends. So thank you guys, go to my descriptions link and grab here and earn a lot more. Thank you guys, link in my description.